Okay, hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys some hiding spots in horse riding tails. Some of them you need a Pegasus for, some of them you do not. These are just for like if you're playing hide and seek with one of your friends in horse riding tails. So the first one is going to be with a Pegasus. It doesn't have to be a certain kind, just whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna get some pretty tack on this one. One second. Okay, so first one that you're gonna do is you do have to be either VIP or level 25 plus for this one. You gotta go right here with your Pegasus and then hit the down arrow. And then boom, you're inside of this like little castle thing. And then next one is also going to be with a Pegasus. This one, you're just going to go over here to the level 1 arena, the regular arena, and it looks like you're floating on top of it. And then if you want to get down and you don't have a Pegasus, or you just don't want to fly, you just drop down right here. And then next one, you don't need a Pegasus. I'm just going to use this horse. If it will work, it's supposed to be able to go into this rock. It doesn't work, it's okay. Next thing, there's not a lot of places to hide, but if you want to, when you're playing hide and seek, you need a Pegasus for this one. You can go on any of these trees like this and your horse will land. You can do it not on that one. And then you can also go on top of this little house thing. All of the houses you can stand on and like land on and stuff. So yeah. And then also, if you have a Pegasus, you need to go to level 25. And in this little tree right here, you are able to land, you are able to like get on the tree. And if you get on the very top, you can land and then like fly up. But it's hard, so. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. And make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you liked this video. Bye.